Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this Vibiemme espresso machine, and for this machine we did a bit of work. As well as you can kind of see, it's like it looks on life support or something, because we do not have the tray, we do not have the water tank, we do not have a couple of parts of this machine, so we had to basically improvise in order to make it function. So that's why it looks a little bit like that. But the machine is working perfectly fine. We had to overhaul the entire E-61 group head. These are the older pieces of the E-61. You can kind of see some of the filters completely with scale build-up. This lever that is worn out, a couple of fittings that are worn out as well, and a bunch of other gaskets. The shower screen, you can barely see through it. There's some coffee build-up all around it. The gasket, having a little bit of cracks here and there. Still not the worst we ever seen, but it's a perfect time to replace that gasket. What else we did to this machine? We also descaled the machine. We descaled the heat exchanger, as well as we descaled the boiler, run it through the steamer one, through the hot water one, as well as through the group head, and yeah, just give it a good tune-up. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Then we're gonna use the hot water and then the steam. Hopefully I pick up the right current settings of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. And as you can see, I could probably have tampered these a bit harder. Unfortunately I did not. So let's try that again. Okay, perfect. Now we have a more finer grind on this machine, and we should be able to see a good extraction now. Good shot of espresso coming out of the machine. Really good crema on top. I'm definitely drinking that. Steam pressure of this machine, as you can see, really good. Nice pressure, excellent temperature, working amazingly. And the hot water of the machine, working really great. And there you have it, Vibiemme machine working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.